If you're selling on eBay, you already know it's a crowded space. The competition is, well, it's fierce. So how do you actually cut through all that noise and get your stuff sold? Well, today, we're going to open up eBay's marketing playbook and show you exactly how to get your listing seen by the right people and, actually grow your business.
Let's just kick things off with a number you really can't ignore: 75%. That's the percentage of your potential customers who are out there right now actively hunting for a deal or promotion. We're talking about 3 out of every 4 shoppers. This isn't some small trend. This is just how people shop now. And that really brings us to the big question, doesn't it? When you're one seller among millions with so many listings all screaming for attention, just having a cool product isn't always going to be enough. You need a real strategy to grab the attention of all those deal-hungry buyers. So how do you do it? How you stand out? Well, your first and maybe best solution is already built right into eBay. It's all about making that shift from just passively listing your items to actively marketing them. Say hello to the promotions manager. And yeah, you saw that right. The best word on this slide is free, as in it's a free tool for all you store subscribers. Think of this as your mission control for creating all the discounts, coupons, and sales events that are going to speak directly to those buyers we just talked about. Now, once you're inside the promotions manager, you'll see you've basically got a whole toolkit at your disposal. And each tool is designed for a specific job, whether it's getting people to buy more stuff in one go or rewarding your best, most loyal customers. First up is the order discount. This one's a classic for a reason. An offer like spend $100, save 30%. I mean, that's a seriously powerful nudge to get someone to add a few more items to their cart. It's a game changer for turning a small sale into a big one, especially for things like fashion or collectibles. Next up, the shipping discount. You know it, I know it. We all know how powerful the words free shipping are. Tying free shipping to a minimum purchase can be that final little push a customer needs to stop thinking and just click that buy button. It's a fantastic way to reduce abandoned carts. Then you've got 2 more specialized tools. Volume pricing is awesome because it automatically gives a discount when someone buys more than one of the same item. Think of it as a built-in bulk discount. Coded coupons, on the other hand, are all about building loyalty. You can create a special code and send it to your past customers as a little thank you to get them to come back and shop again. So, what's the payoff for doing all this? Well, a well-run, smart promotion should give you a sales boost of about 20 to 30%. That's kind of the benchmark you should be shooting for. If you're not seeing those numbers, don't worry. Just tweak your offers, experiment a little, and find what really clicks with your customers. Okay, so we've covered broad promotions that attract everyone. Now let's switch gears and talk about some more proactive tools. These are for engaging with buyers who have already shown they're interested in what you're selling. This is where the best offer feature comes in. It's basically your direct line to making a deal. It turns a static listing into a dynamic negotiation, giving you the power to meet a buyer in the middle and close that sale. You can even set it up to automatically accept or decline offers for you, which saves a ton of time. And this shows you just how powerful it is. It's a simple cause and effect. On the left, you, the seller, are sending a private offer to someone who's watching your item. And then boom, on the right, the buyer gets this personalized email that feels exclusive and urgent. It's an incredibly effective way to turn a watcher into a buyer. But hey, what if you need to get more eyeballs on your listings in the first place? That's where Promoted Listing Standard comes into play. It's basically eBay's own advertising platform, but, and this is the best part, it has this amazing super low-risk model. You only pay the ad fee after your item sells from someone clicking that ad. I mean, you only pay when it works. So where do these ads actually appear? They show up right where it matters most. Your promoted items get these premium spots at the top of the search results, putting your stuff front and center when a buyer is actively looking. It's like a fast pass to the front of the line. And the numbers really don't lie. On average, using promoted listings can boost your item's visibility by up to 36%. Think about that for a second. That's over a third more people seeing your stuff, which, directly leads to a much better chance of making a sale. And getting started is so simple. It's just 3 easy steps. First, pick the listings you want to promote, your best sellers, seasonal stuff, things like that. Second, you set your ad rate, which is just the percentage you agree to pay if it sells. And third, you just give your campaign a name, review it, and launch. That's it. You're live.
All right, last but not least, let's talk about one of eBay's classic features, but I want you to think about it with a modern strategic twist. Yep, I'm talking about auctions. These are not just for clearing out your garage anymore. You really have to remember eBay's roots here. Auctions are literally in eBay's DNA. And as the source material points out, there's a whole group of buyers out there who only look for auctions, either because it's what they're used to or because they just love the thrill of bidding. You can tap right into that passionate audience. The real key is knowing when to use an auction. It's not the right tool for every single item. You want to save it for your really special stuff, things that are unique or hard to find. Use it when you honestly don't know what something is worth and you want to let the market decide. Or you can use it to create some serious buzz and drive new traffic to your store. This is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. For a rare, collectible item like this vintage Lego set, an auction isn't just a way to sell something, it's an event. It can spark a real bidding war between collectors and potentially drive that final price way, way higher than what you might have listed it for.
So, let's put all the pieces together. What we've just gone through. This isn't just a random list of features. This is a complete marketing playbook for your eBay store, where every single tool can work together to help you succeed. The big takeaway here is that you are in the driver's seat. You're in control. And the real magic happens when you start combining these tools. Just imagine running at 20% off sale and then using promoted listings to blast that sale out to even more buyers. See? That's how you create a seriously powerful sales machine. So there you have it, the whole eBay marketing toolkit laid out and ready to go. All the power you need to grow your business is sitting right there in your Seller Hub. So the only real question left is, which one are you going to launch first?